Hey, alright, I welcome you all to this video where I'll be showing you how to install font in Photoshop like a pro. We know Photoshop is one of the leading software out there in which you can make for to get your design done depending on how creative you are. This video I will walk you through how to install fonts in Photoshop. As you can see on my Canva, I have the word how to install font in Photoshop, but this font style is not eligible. It's not legible or enough to be read. But let me choose another font here. As you can see now, I was able to change the font from the one it was before to another type now. But I had a lot of fonts in which I want to install on my PC. Okay, now let me show you how to get the font installed. Like now, these are the fonts I have on my I want to install. Now you can choose the fonts, you can install them one after the other. Like these are Aurora scripts now. Just right click on it, click on install. The Aurora script has been installed on my system now, but I have like 66 fonts in which I want to install. Just click on Ctrl A on your PC. Now right click and click on install. It will install all the fonts one after the other, but it shows that the Aurora script font is already installed on my PC. Do you want to replace it? Just click on this box and click on no. Okay, for this one, just click on close. Okay, now another set of font has been installed on my Photoshop. Now let's go back to Photoshop. We have installed the Aurora script now. Let's check whether you can see the font. We can't see the font because we have not restart our system. You need to restart your system so that the font in which you have installed will be shown on your Photoshop. That is how to install font of Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, like this video and share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial.